telling me, man, if that wasn't a wrong turn, I was supposed to go that way towards Gatlinburg on 321. I came out here on 32. Holy crap, bro. That wasn't a wrong turn. I don't know what was. I didn't realize I was still recording. Recorded that little idiot moment. Alright. I'm gonna head down. I'm gonna head down on 321. Find me some place to eat. And there. Sounds good to me. Don't know if I could find me a better place. I probably could, but this place called Docs321 BBQ. Well, here we are, Docs321 barbecue. Check this out. Right off of 321. It's pretty cool. Is that the place over there, or is this the place? Oh no, this is the place here. I guess you go on the bus and get your food. Alright, well, I'm gonna go in and check this out, see how it is. Talk to you later. Just did my signature right here. That's where you can find me. This is the inside of the bus. It's kind of cool. Pretty nice. Nice spot. Buy junk and sell antiques. A lot of people have signed. How you doing? Oh. A lot of people have signed. You can come and sign yours too. Alright, so back out riding. Heading to a little road over here right off of 441. It's supposed to be really nice and has some little rivers and waterfalls and stuff. So let's see if I can check that out real quick. We're looking at about 5 o'clock right now. Just past a little bit of rain, little rain cloud behind me. No big deal. It's funny, man, you know, thinking about that road. I was in a restaurant. Man, food was actually pretty good too. That Docs321 restaurant. I was in there and I was telling them, I was like, yeah, you know, I was coming out to 321 and I was like, yeah, take 321 all the way over to such and such and such. And then I was like, oh look, yeah, go down 332, it'll take you to 321. No, it don't. But damn, that was a nice wrong turn. And then it was one of those things that, you know, that's not really a twisty road like that. It's hard to ride slow on a twisty road like that. If you ride slow, it's almost like you're gonna make more mistakes than just letting it hang a little bit. I mean, but within reason. You know, that's why I said a little bit. You know what I mean? But man, I tell you, that was fun. That was one heck of a road. Woo! There we get a little more rain again. Yeah, that was one heck of a road. That was some good times. Yeah. I figure sunset's probably about 8 or so. So by about 6:30 or so, I'll be heading back to the room. Somewhere around there. I don't foresee eating anything more for the night. Maybe I might get a bag of chips or something, but that's really about it. Should be done. Alrighty. I'll come back when we get to that little road I was talking about.